In this video, I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip files using app called RAR on your Poco X4 GT. So in order to do this, we'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's open it, and from here find the files that you want to pack. Mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here's the 3 pictures. Let's click on this plus button to pack them. Now here we can change any options about archiving, so you can pick a name, browse for destination, set the password, change the extension, so pick it to be RAR or zip, delete files after archiving, create solid archive. There's a lot of options right here to change, so just experiment with it. Also, you can leave a description about this RAR file. After everything is set, click on OK, and we'll create a simple RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.